Create Ali Abdaal paper fold effect in Premiere Pro. Add paper crumple green screen effect. Add logo. Search Ultra key. Remove blue color with eyedropper. Adjust logo. Nest logo. Add name to that layer. Search track matte, key in effects and add on to paper layer. Select video to here. Duplicate logo layer by pressing Alt key. Nest logo and paper layer. Add name to layer. Now move paper layer up and logo layer down. Duplicate paper layer by pressing Alt key. Add track matte key on logo. Select video 2. Select top paper layer. Add Ultra key on top layer. Use eyedropper to remove green color. To remove green color correctly, make sure you remove shadow. This is final result. Thanks for watching.